If you've never touched a computer beyond browsing the web, this is where your IT career starts. The free JobSkillShare program, you'll master Windows 10 and Windows 11 inside and out. You'll learn how computer hardware actually works, CPUs, RAM, storage, and motherboards. You'll understand networking from the ground up, home networks, corporate LANs, how data actually moves across the internet. You'll install software, configure security settings, and learn the systematic troubleshooting method that real IT pros use every single day. Servers, clients, workstations. You'll know what they all do and how they connect. By the end, you'll go from complete beginner to someone who can walk into any business and confidently handle basic IT issues. Course 2 is where you stop being a beginner and start thinking like a real IT technician. You'll dive deep into mobile devices, smartphones, tablets, and how companies manage them. You'll master DNS, DHCP, IP addressing, ports and protocols, the actual language of networks. You'll work hands-on with RAM, storage, BIOS, UEFI, CPUs, and motherboards. Then we take you into the cloud. You'll spin up Azure virtual machines, understand virtualization, and work with cloud computing concepts that every modern company uses. Plus, real hardware troubleshooting and network diagnostics. This isn't theory. These are the exact technologies working IT professionals use every day. Want to know what separates hobbyists from hireable IT professionals? Enterprise experience. And that's exactly what Course 3 delivers. You'll get hands-on with Active Directory, creating users, managing computers, and organizing entire organizations. You'll configure group policy to control thousands of machines at once. You'll understand the difference between workgroups and domains, because real companies use domains. You'll work with professional ticketing systems like ServiceNow and Spiceworks. You'll process real support tickets, password resets, printer issues, VPN problems. You'll practice in safe Sandbox environments that mirror real corporate IT setups. This is the course that makes employers say, this person knows how real IT departments work. Here's something most people don't realize. Getting hired in IT isn't just about technical skills. Employers want people who can communicate. Course 4 teaches you the people skills that actually get you promoted. Professional communication, how to speak clearly and write effectively. Active listening, understanding the user's real problem before you try to fix it. You'll learn how to handle frustrated users. Provide excellent phone and remote support. Manage your time across multiple tickets, and document solutions so your whole team benefits. Teamwork, customer service, and professional behavior. These are the skills that make you stand out in interviews, excel on the job, and move up fast. Because the best IT pros aren't just technical, they're trusted. You've got the skills. Now let's get you hired. Course 5 is your career launchpad. You'll build a professional IT resume using templates designed specifically for entry-level tech jobs. You'll learn where to search, how to apply, and strategies that actually get responses. You'll master common interview questions, what hiring managers really want to hear. You'll understand different IT career paths and how to grow from help desk into specialized roles. You'll tap into community resources, mentorship, and study groups. Completing all 5 courses gives you everything technical skills, enterprise experience, people skills, and a roadmap to your first IT job. Ready to launch your career? Enroll free today.